Hi, Matt Senyuk, product specialist with Range, and today we're talking about customer acquisition strategy and the top 5 campaigns you can run right now to grow your customer database. So for retail marketers, we understand the importance of continuously growing your customer database. These are loyal customers who on average are going to buy more than other customers. And on top of that, there's an attrition rate that happens with your DBs where you're losing a percentage of people annually. So you need to remain focused on growing your customer database. And we're looking at something that's beyond just collecting email addresses at the point of sale. We want you to build out an automated tool digitally to help you double your customer DB. So from running thousands and thousands of campaigns with all of our clients, these are what we think are the top 5 campaigns you can run in store or online. Number 1, BOGO, buy one, get one. The second one could be 10 cents, $1 off, whatever it is, but make sure that you're capturing contact data in exchange for this incentive. 2, contests. If you're running them in store in particular, make sure you're not doing the paper ballot for 2 reasons. 1, which of your sales associates is going to input that contact data into your CRM? And 2, you never have enough pencils or pens. And one of my biggest pet peeves is standing in line waiting to be able to sign a form. 3, refer a friend. So you already know that one person in your customer database roughly meets the ideal profile of your customer, and their friends likely have a similar profile. So incentivize both your loyal customer and one of their friends to come in and purchase something at your store. 4 is giveaways, whether it's on the spot or at a later date. Provide contact data in exchange for a giveaway or a prize. And number 5, the most important campaign, instant incentives like a coupon, where somebody signs up, provides their contact data in exchange for $10 to $15 off a purchase of $25 or more. That's just an example that works very well for our customers. You can create signage throughout your storefront where people can text in and access this information. And the reason you want it done digitally is you can validate the information and it can be done very quickly. So thanks for checking out our video. If you like what you've seen, please subscribe to our channel or follow us on Twitter, LinkedIn, or Instagram.